Here we've got a 2014 to 2016 Porsche Panamera. As you can see, it's been involved in an accident. Usually customers send in their lights, they're crazed or they're yellowed, they're hazy, they're pitted. However, this one is suffered a pretty serious lens fracture. Luckily, nothing really was destroyed inside the assembly. We checked everything, it looks good. So we're going to swap the lens on this, document it, and show you how it comes out, effectively saving you a lot of money. So check in with us if you have a European car. We do a lot of Porsche, BMW. There's lenses available for Audi and Mercedes as well. Check in with us if you have any problems, you want to get a lens swap done, and we'll show you how this comes out in just a little bit. All right, so here we've got the Panamera assembly opened up. The lens has been removed. And here I'm showing you what the cold glue or the permaseal looks like. Those words are used interchangeably in this industry. And it refers to a one-time use sealant, essentially. It's a very stiff sealant. Makes it difficult to open these lights up. There's a lot of work to remove the sealant, and you have to get it all out to properly restore it with a butyl sealant, which is what we're going to be using. And I'll show you how that looks once everything's installed. But again, those are just a few pieces of that original sealant. You can see it's not stretchy, it's not rubbery. It's essentially just a stiff seal, and that's what you call a cold glue. But we'll show you how this all comes out with the brand new lens in a little bit. All right, this is all ready to get back resealed now. New lens is in, we transferred in that inner housing. It's gonna go on in just a moment, but the first thing to do is to add that sealant. We use the Dynamics butyl sealant, which is a headlight grade sealant. It's easy to service the light again if it needs to be reopened for any reason. It's not a cold glue or a permaseal. It is a soft butyl sealant. So we do make sure that these don't have any issues after they're sealed up. However, this is what it looks like before that lens goes on, and I'll show you the final result in a moment, but it's going to look brand new once we're all done with it. All right, the new lens has been installed, and this is all wrapped up, ready to send back to our customer. Obviously, if your light is in an accident and you have a crack in the lens like this one, you don't want to drive with it. You don't want any water or moisture to get inside. You're going to fry up the modules and screw up the leveling system. So definitely not recommended, but our goal is to make this look like it was never touched. So this will fit right back into the vehicle properly. Got the brand new lens. It looks brand new again. This came out really good. But remember, we service lights and replace lenses if the housings are pitted or cracked. If there's any kind of issue, like crazing, as mentioned before, that's a little bit more common. We can replace your lenses. So we'll post up a link to the service on the website from this video, and you can send in your lights. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. We look forward to hearing from you, and please subscribe to the video, to the channel. Thank you.